folks, and welcome back. Very short one today. I've been given this loco to have a wee look at. It's a King George V. I'll need to do a bit of research to find out what year it is, but I can see this emblem here. Now, what I've noticed is, if I push a bit of weight down on it, then the mechanism will turn, but when I put power on it, the tender just skids it along the track. So the objective is to split this down, give it a clean, and see if I can get the mechanism going. A little bit of lubrication as well, and we shall see what happens. Good luck to me. Now we can see how dirty it is. It's been in storage for 30 odd years apparently. Hello wee guy. So it's no surprise that it's going to take a bit of effort to get it going. But if I can get this one going properly, then it's a bit of a win for my friend that wants it repaired. Or cleaned up is a better way to say it. Stick with me, you made it this far, so click the wee subscribe button that you can see popping up right now, and we'll go from here, see how it turns out. Thank you. Now, you can actually see can you see? It's really difficult to see it, but we've got a sticky point here. And I think I need to take a needle file to it to get it better, because it's catching on the chassis or the centrepiece as it rotates, and that then stops the whole mechanism. So yeah, I have to strip it down a wee bit to get there, but I think I've found the issue.